All right, this is just to give you a quick guide here on this WordChecker FRQ question. PDF is here, obviously you can load it. And, whoops, that's not what I wanted. Load it and look over it. This with the directions. And then these are help videos if you get stuck, but please try it first before watching the help videos. And then the final piece is you can write it out on paper. Okay, so like you just have to fill in the method, I think. If I look at this quick. You would just have to write, you have to know that there's a global array list called word list, but then you just write a public Boolean word chain and just fill in the code there. And then there's another method, public array list string create list, that you just fill in the code there too. So you can write it out on paper, or if you prefer to type it, you can just create a class inside of Eclipse called WordChecker. And then I copied and pasted the code from the PDF, and it kind of worked okay for me. Otherwise, you can just type public class WordChecker, create the private array list called word list, and then type the method heading here, and then type your code to implement it. And then same thing for part B is to type the heading and then type the code in there. And just know if you go this route, you might still get red underlines because sometimes they don't give you all the code. So like some of the methods and stuff might not be shown. So you might get compile errors, which is kind of annoying, but sometimes it's nice to type too. So if you want to type, that's how you do it. And then either way, get your code either into Google Drive or upload it to the place on Schoology. All right, that's it. Good luck.